Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying the learning goal and assembling content. This saves time later. Create a Quizlet set with 10-30 items, add concise definitions and optional images, because visual speed recall. Once done, choose whether you want students to self-study with Learn, practice with Write, or compete in Live. Make sure to tag the set with the unit name and level so it's easy to assign and track. Now assign the set and customize practice options so students get the right kind of retrieval practice. In the assignment panel, set a due date and privacy level. Choose Learn with spaced repetition for durable retention, and enable multiple choice plus written recall for mixed practice. Once assigned, embed the set into your LMS or share the class code and link. Make sure students know which activity to complete and how you will assess progress. Finish by verifying access and monitoring completion reports so you can intervene early. Check that all students join the class and open the set. Review progress reports to spot low scores or skipped items. If terms are wrong, edit the set and notify students to refresh. If students can't join, resend the invite or have them force refresh the page. That often resolves login or sync errors quickly. Make adjustments, then repeat the quick check.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.